G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 6 Burrum Street in the super popular suburb of Urangan. We are walking distance to the Boat Club, Marina and iconic Urangan Pier, and there's a lot to take in, so let's go and take a look around. This well-maintained brick home was built in 1985 and is positioned on a spacious 645 square metre corner allotment, offering 2 street access in the highly sought after bayside location of Urangan. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having essential amenities all within walking distance, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade Beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. With interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. This great home will be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or the first home buyer looking to purchase into an established popular area with strong growth potential and room to add further value. The kitchen and open plan dining area does form the heart of this home. The kitchen offers plenty of bench and storage space, plus a pantry, and appliances include an electric stove with a range hood. There is also a separate lounge room where you'll be able to kick back and watch your favourite television series. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. There is also a room to the side of the kitchen and rear of the garage that could be used as a cloakroom or hobby and craft space. This home also includes a dedicated study or office which will be perfect for those doing more work from home. The bathroom features a shower and vanity, plus there is a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. The hero of this home is that fantastic covered outdoor entertaining area which spans between the home and the shed. This is where you will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. It has also been semi-enclosed so you'll relax and entertain year-round no matter what the weather. Vehicle accommodation includes a single carport with covered access into the home. Plus there is a high entry 9 by 6 metre double bay shed with mezzanine storage floor and power connected. This will be ideal for those looking to accommodate RVs, caravans and boats. Homes in this location are in high demand and low supply, so here's your opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.